Yeah. You're always gonna be with me. I'm gonna take you skiing still on the Black Diamond runs. Oh, she didn't like that.
And I think we'll go on another hot air balloon ride.
Oh.
The landing was a little rough, wasn't it?
You did have a rough landing. Did you fall over?
Yeah. We landed in the...
What you thinking, Dee?
You have to think it all. Just listen to the voices and all these people that love you. I'm going to tell you how much we love you. It's a journey and it's going to be beautiful. It's going to feel good. It's going to feel good.
Under the clouds and the beautiful, relaxing girl in your Maxfield Parrish painting that we're looking at right now. She has her hand up just like you've been putting your hand up. Warm sunshine is coming through the
Didn't we find it
stained
in
glass.
Montana?
That one? Maybe. No, I don't remember. Yes, Maxfield Parish is a good place to go. It's a very good place to go.
If you meet Dennis, my brother, he might give you a bad time.